children handcuffed and pepper-sprayed by Garda at Cork Special Care Unit. 2 psychologically vulnerable children were forcibly handcuffed and then pepper-sprayed by Garda at a special care unit run by the Irish Child and Family Agency TUSLA in Cork, Ireland. Inspectors from the Irish State Health Information and Quality Authority (HIQA) visited Glone Orling, located in the grounds of a psychiatric hospital. 2 children were living in the centre, which accommodates young girls. The report said. Inspectors found that An Garda Síochána had been called by members of the staff team to manage children's behaviour, which resulted in children being pepper-sprayed and handcuffed. In Ireland, children are placed in a special care unit by a court when they are judged to have special needs. The Cork unit admits children at risk of self-harm and suicide. TUSLA said Glone Orling would cease to operate as a special care unit from December 31. It will be repurposed as a residential centre.